Hello students, welcome to our chemistry class. We will now start internal Cannizzaro reaction. That means within the molecule, okay, within the molecule, Cannizzaro reaction it happens. All are welcome to my chemistry class. I think you are in good health. Enjoy my class. Okay. First example is, look at the board now. This is ethan 1,2 diet. When it is treated with 50% NaOH, that means a strong alkali, obviously in aqueous medium, and what will happen now? Look at the board. There will be magic. What magic? OH minus as nucleophile will attack this carbon. Okay? So, obviously the pi bond goes towards the oxygen atom because oxygen is more electron than carbon. So, what will happen next? One aldehyde molecule is still now intact. Another part of aldehyde group is converted to O minus anion. What happens next? Another OH minus as a nucleophile will attack on this hydrogen atom. Okay? This bond goes towards oxygen atom and the diagonal will be formed. It can be rotated because it is a single bond. Okay? The diagonal is formed. What will happen next? Look at the board. Let's imagine. This anion, the minus charge of this anion, O minus ion, attacks on this oxygen bond, and this hydride ion shifts to this carbon atom within the molecule, this carbon atom, and the pi bond goes towards this oxygen atom, leading to the product O minus H, another H comes from hydride. This will be carbon O, this is O minus, and this is hydrogen. Look at the structure now. If the condition is alkaline, what will happen? It will be in a plus, and it is also in a plus. On acidification, if we do not acidify, the product will be this product.